we moved to another space. Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome back, and this is my vlog about a new place. Okay, first of all, I want to apologize for the quality of the video and how it was shot. So it's because of how it was shot. I forgot I was doing YouTube video, not Instagram. I had to spread it out in order to be able to post it on YouTube. So apologies for that. So anyway, we got a new space, which means we can do physical training now, and it has been a roller coaster. You know, when you think you spend A but eventually you spend ABC. That's how it has been. So when we got the place, first clean up, did the lighting in that space. No lights, nothing. So we had to get an electrician to work to do that, to put lighting, do switch, AC, a lot of things like that. Then after that, the place was painted, yay! And then we did the window blind, then brought the things from the old space here. That's the cabinets, the countertop, the shelf, and everything. We brought them here, and we're going to add more things, but for now, as that's when I shot this video, this is what we have. So checking the lighting, because to get quality videos we need the lighting, because we want to be dropping different videos all the time, and also we need to reshoot some videos for our classes, for our online skincare and hair care formulation class. We don't want you to spend too much time when you want to learn. You just get to watch all videos, no more text. So to be either audio or video learning, and then you can also have live one-on-one class too. So this is when I packed all the beakers and everything, just to make sure everything is well packed, because if we lose one, that's something. So I first wrapped them and then put them in cartons and then labeled it so well. When they were moving these things, I was just out to be careful, please be careful. So I had them in different cartons. Please be careful. In fact, those people were like, madam, chill now. Because I know how much they cost. I know. Do you know how long I've been buying pickers, and they keep breaking and breaking. And for me to have just this now, this was not what I started with. And now after moving them, before arranging them, I had to make sure I clean, I wash, sterilize everything, sanitize everything. Then when they were dry, I started arranging the space, and then this is where I use as my office space. Here I was still thinking, okay, which of the chairs should I use for myself? Is it the one with the resting head chair or this thing? We've been working. So not much work has been done, but at least some arrangements is on. Inside here we have like containers that are not yet washed, and then shipping cartons and all. Up here, things that I don't use often. Inside here I have containers that are already washed. Then I have my samples here. I didn't even know I had that many samples. What? Samples for class, samples for private label customers, for customized customers. I had to trash them. Then here I have equipment, tools, GMP sort of materials, things that we always need while formulating too. Then okay, these I always use them while formulating, so this is why they are placed there. My beakers are inside here. We're still going to be buying more equipment. Then the shelves, definitely arrange the ingredients according to their functions this time around. Before it was okay, all powders the same place, all liquid the same place. It doesn't matter what you do, but now it is about what do you do. Okay, emulsifiers somewhere, viscosity enhancers the same place, anti-acne same place, anti-aging same place, hydrating ingredients. Then we have the antioxidants, the pH adjusters, the preservatives, and all. So that is my perfect vlog. I hope you've been able to enjoy this. Enrollment is currently open, so send a message today to start learning, to learn how to formulate both skincare or care products. You can reach us on through IG, through our WhatsApp link, or any other place. For physical training, that's Lagos, Nigeria, Aja. While for online, you can register from anywhere in the world, and then you take your course. Thank you. Like, share, comment. Bye.